Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking into Microsoft Excel and we're going to learn some new tricks in it. Now, as you all know, Microsoft Excel is a very famous application and is used in many big industries to solve hours of work in minutes. And one of the tricks that it does is conditional formatting. Now, what does conditional formatting means? It means like if I have a lot of data and I want to format them under some condition, like let's suppose I have salaries of all the employees, but I want to know how many employees are getting paid above 50,000 rupees or dollars. So we're going to figure out a way. We're going to go to conditional formatting and we're going to give it the condition that if the number is greater than 50,000, it's going to give the results according to our desired condition. Like let's suppose I want to highlight the cells that are greater than 50,000 with red color, so it's gonna do it. Okay, so first things first is you're gonna open Microsoft Excel on your computer. I have opened my Microsoft Excel right here. Now I have all this data randomly generated with the random function of Microsoft Excel, and now I have all this data and I want to know all of the numbers that are greater than or equal to 15,000. Let's suppose I'm going to target the number 15,000. So how should I do it? I'm going to go to Home tab here and I'm going to go to Styles and choose Conditional Formatting. It's going to open this drop down menu. From this menu, you can have many options here. These are some predefined rules, and if you want, you can create your own rule as well. Before you do any of it, I would want you to select all of the spreadsheet with Control A, and now go to conditional formatting again, and now select your rule. Let's suppose I want to target the number greater than 15,000 in the entire sheet. I'm going to click greater than, I'm going to choose the number 15,000, and now as you can see, it already formatted them. I can change the formatting from here. These are some predefined formats. I can also create a custom format. I'm going to just choose the first one, light red filled with dark red text. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click outside the window. Now, as you can see, all of the cells that had the number greater than 15,000 are colored with red background and dark red text. I hope this video helps. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.